Hello viewers, how are you all? Today we are going to know 10 facts that we didn't know. So the first one is, do you love white chocolate? If yes, then there is bad news for you. White chocolate isn't real chocolate. Good news or bad news depends on you. If you live in France, there are some towns in France where it is illegal to die. Morse code is very fascinating. And the first Morse code message was, "What hath God wrought?" Do you yawn? Every one of us yawns when we are sleepy. But an interesting fact is that an estimated 55% of people yawn after reading the word yawn. Are you yawning now? Comment below. Do you know your brain structure changes from time to time? And meditation is very effective for that. Meditation is such a powerful technique that after only 8 weeks, the brain's structure changes. In 1977, we received a radio signal from space that lasted 72 seconds, and to this day, we still don't know where it came from. Scary, right? Was that? That's it. Enough insects to save the US over $1 billion a year in crop damage and pesticide. So, let's give a Nobel Economics Prize to the bad community. Did you think about how the sea snakes breathe? How do they live underwater for a long time? Because reptiles cannot breathe underwater. Some sea snakes can breathe through their skin. By this, they can stay longer underwater. The Mississippi River, the longest river of North America, has a length of 2,350 miles. It takes 90 days for a drop of water to travel the entire Mississippi River. And the last one. Right now, you are looking at your nose, but your brain chooses to ignore it. Be honest, weren't you looking? Comment below. And if you haven't subscribed to the Fantasy Factory yet, you can subscribe now for getting more unknown and interesting facts. Thank you.